Hello guys, how you doing? In this video, I'm gonna talking about item request form and all the points about it. An item request is a request sent internally within a company to obtain purchased, produced, or serviced goods. This form can be automatically registered based on the process, or manually to issue the request for goods from the warehouse and to declare the need for the goods from the units of the organization. The purpose of automatic registration based on the process is that, for example, this form can be automatically registered from the customer's order already registered in the system through the operations section and the creation of the request for goods. The system transfers the desired information, including customer information and the goods it uses to the request form for the goods. And it's enough for the user to review or edit the information and then confirm that, and it will be sent by the related warehouse. As we did see in previous videos, in the sales process, first we register a quotation form, then a customer order, and after that we need to register an item request form. Any form can be created with its pre-form by an operation. For example, to create a customer order form, we can use an operation in the quotation form. And also, you can use an operation in customer order, create your item request. To create item request form manually, we need to fill in some necessary fields. First, open the warehouse, operation of warehouse, item request. And now we need to check the master part of item request. The date is automatically the current date, but it is possible to edit it. Warehouse code is a choice of warehouse type. We determine which goods are requested from which warehouse. If the organization has more than one office, the name of the office can be specified in this section. Document type is a selection of document types, receipts, exit note, and etc. The contract receives goods or services. The code of the section. User organizational unit of the goods, which is filled automatically. Project code. If the request for the goods is in the company with a specific project, the name of the project can be entered in the section. Request ID automatically filled in the name of the account. If the request for goods is automatically registered from the production order form, this part will be filled by the system. Next is budget serial. Like previous one, this field will be automatically filled in by the system. Next is delivery location. If the request for goods is automatically registered from the customer's order form, the disruption sending our delivery location will be filled out with the customer's order information. After that, we will enter the subject of the request for goods in this section. Date of need announces the date of the need for the goods to the warehouse keeper. The priority is used to inform the warehouse keeper of the requested emergency or normal, urgent, and etc. That was the end of the master part. Now we should check the detail. Like master part, in detail we have a lot of information and important fields. So let's check it. The first field is item ID. In this field, the requested goods or services can be determined. Next, item ID code. This field will be filled automatically as soon as the selection of the goods, according to the main unit specified in the form of the introduction of the goods. It should be noted that in case of the need to change the unit of the goods and the use of other subunits designated for this product, and you can select the list of units from the list of the units of the goods. If we use the subunit in the previous field, it will also be displayed to inform the user of the main unit. Next is quantity. The number of goods that will be imported based on the selected unit will be shown in this section. Quantity based on the main unit. This field is automatically filled according to the ratio coefficient of the subunit to the main unit of the goods. If the request for goods is automatically registered from the production order form, this part will be filled by the system. Inventory automatically displays the booking balance of the above goods. Next, remain. The total number of goods requested is not agreed upon. There is a changing number in the cart table, so the number of confirmed items can be seen in the section. Next is delete. The number removed is computational and automatic. If the request for the remaining goods is used to remove it from the operation, the residue is used to close in the way. The deleted percussion will be displayed in this section. Here, computationally and automatically, the latest status of the goods includes the following conditions. Tracking. If there is a need to register the tracking code of the goods in the warehouse, it will be used. Next is contract. If the request for goods is in the case of a specific contract, the name of the contract can be entered in the section. Property code. This section is used to determine the relationship between the requested item and its property code. The issuing the request, the goods will be filled out of the property code form automatically. And the last one is usage location. To specify the places of consumption of goods using reports and using cost centers in accounting. And that's everything about item request form. But there are some important points about operation. Let's check it together. For example, open information. Open information is a request for goods that have not been transferred or partially transferred based on all warehouses that the user currently has access to it. Next point is display all information. All the records issued by all users to which the current user has access to the warehouse will be shown. Next, open user information. The requests that are related to the current user and do not have transfers or the number approved in the form displays the request for unlimited transfers. Display all user information. Here display all register requests. And the last point of operation is change data location. If the request has been approved and data is not possible and the goods have not yet been transferred, this operation can be used to change the sending location. Thank you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share it with others. And be sure to subscribe to our channel for new videos every week.